Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the latest Infosys interview experience, and this is the interview conducted by the Infosys. The firstly tell me about yourselves, then about the project explanation, then OOPS concept, then Python basics, then SQL commands, then what is big data and difference between database and big data. So this is the Infosys interview, and the second interview is also started with the self introduction. Then why do you want to join Infosys? Then which language are you familiar with? Then what is tuple, what is list? Then so bracket for tuple and list module. Do you have any questions? I asked which language is helpful me in training, so I want to learn it perfectly. So this is also a technical round interview. Basically interview is conducted in the Infosys is all means TR, MR and HR. Sometime there will be 3 panels, sometime only one panel will ask the all the questions. So this is also a very easy Infosys interview. Then the next interview is for the non-IT branch, like it is also started with the self introduction. Then why do you we use a programming language for creating software? Then project oops concept, any idea about DBMS? Then what is SDLC? Then situation based question, any question for me? And yes, how did you learn programming? So this is also a very easy interview of Infosys. The next interview is also started with the self introductions, then about the polymorphism, then what is inheritance, then what is encapsulation, then what is in abstraction. So इसमें जो इन्फोसिस में है उप्स कॉन्सेप्ट सबसे पहले आप पढ़ के जाइए, क्योंकि उप्स कॉन्सेप्ट से मोस्टली इंटरव्यूअर will ask the questions. So oops concept is very basic and mandatory things for all the interview. Then what is static variable, then what is stack and linked list, then about project and any questions. So basically they will ask all the basic question from the C, C++, Java, Python, which language you mention in the resume. They will ask the question from there only, and they will not ask very tough questions. They will ask only the basic questions. The next interview is also for Infosys, and this is for system engineer. Then your engineering field. Then oops concept question, what is encapsulations? Then what is artificial intelligence? What is recursion? What is fall through in switch statement? So are you willing to relocate? So this is also a very easy interview of Infosys. It is not that much tough. In the HR round they will ask about the relocation, about the night shift, and about the CEO of Infosys, and headquarter of Infosys. So this is also a very easy interview of Infosys. The next interview is also started with the self introduction. Then why do you want to join Infosys? Then which language are you familiar with? What is tuple, what is list, what is bracket for tuple and list module? Do you have any question? I ask which language is helpful me in training, so I want to learn perfectly. So in all these interview you can see that interview will start the interview from the self introduction. Then they will ask some basic questions from C language, C++, Java, Python, oops concept, and then they are asking the 1-2 question from HR round, some scenario based questions. So Infosys interview is very easy to crack. It is not that much tough, so prepare well for the Infosys. And please subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest update, latest interview experience.